I'm going to do a factory reset on my MeCool KM3, and what you do, you simply come to the top here, click settings, come down to device preferences, scroll right to the very bottom, click reset again, click erase everything, and basically that's it. It's underway. It'll take a few minutes before we actually get anything happening on the screen, even though you think it's there. And this is the system at the moment. It's erasing everything that's on the drive. And it will boot up, and this is the screen you get. So you're going to need your remote control. You will be pressing the minus key or the down sound button and the connect at the same time, and you do that till the light starts to flash and it starts the pairing mode. Now what I have to do is set up my Android phone. OK Google, set up my device. And it's popped up that little message there. We just click next. And you can see that we've got the correct codes. Click next again. And I'm going to go with a 5G network. And I have to enter the password in. So I've typed in my password and we're about to continue. A thumbprint is set for my system here. Hang on, there we go. And I'm just going to set myself up here. And at this point, we simply accept. Location doesn't bother me. Yes, happy with that. Now, because I've had it installed before, the Play Store, I suppose you'd call it, for the TV Android box, it remembers everything, so it can install everything back again, or you can simply choose to have a fresh install with nothing on it. So obviously I'm installing the apps that I've already had. And that's it, done. Now we probably are going to have, when I use voice activation for the first time, which I'm about to do now, yeah, that's what I thought it would do. It's going to ask me to do a bit of a verifying process. And we just go through everything in here. Yes. It gives you a bit of a video showing you what you can do and what you can't. Obviously I'm not interested in any of that. And away we go here. Yep. Yeah, it pops up now.
Okay, Google.
Now I've seen all this before.
You can ask me things like, play some music. Play Master of None.
Youngtown, population Bev.
Show me other TV shows.
And I'm going to test the voice to see whether it's set up correctly. A bit hard to see, but I'm pressing the button here. What is the time?
It's 6:45.
So there you go. Functioning nicely, and that's basically all we have to worry about. Thank you for watching, and that was one of the quickest and easiest jobs I've ever done. You won't have any dramas at all if you need to do a factory reset on your MeCool KM3 Android TV box.